welcome back to Brittany Built. As you can see, the car is on the hoist, and to answer all of those questions, yes, the engine did come out this weekend. Unfortunately, I forgot to record that process because I was pulling the cherry picker and making sure that my fenders and everything else didn't get damaged on the car. So we're a few steps away to having the new engine in and running. Can you believe how close we are? But so for today, we're gonna paint my engine bay. Let's get to it. So I don't have any degreaser or anything like that, so I'm just gonna patch spray it because normally I keep my hood down at shows anyway. Want it to look a little bit cleaner in case I do want to show off the pretty nice new blue engine. I also don't want to get inside of it and end up putting a dent in my fenders, so winging it we are. As long as I can get back out, we're fine. Oh man! I just leaned up against it and now I've got paint on my butt. It'll come out in the wash, right? I happen to really like these leggings. Hopefully my mom doesn't want her blanket back. Pretty much touches everything up. besides right there, but that's the one thing I didn't want to do. Let's get paint on the red wire. It's fine, we'll just take some lacquer thinner to it. Damn it, not my alternator either. Have it. Couple hiccups here and there, but the engine is out. I did end up getting some spray paint on a couple of wires that I didn't want to, but it's okay. Also, I got paint on my butt, but at least I was wearing black pants. Hopefully it comes out. Anyway, the motor's out. This motor just has a little bit to go, and then it'll be dropping in, and we'll be able to debut the car before you know it. You guys will hear it run, it'll get washed up, and then, surprise, there'll be a place where you can come see us in February. So, fingers crossed, I know we'll be there. Hopefully you can come see us too. You'll get the huge backstory behind the car, see us, and it'll be our first debut out with the new motor, 302. But if you guys want to see the old motor, continue watching. Otherwise, feel free to subscribe down below. That way you don't miss A, the motor going in, B, it running, and C, all of the crazy stuff, daily driver things and show things that this car and I are going to end up doing together. Who's ready to see the motor? There's the 351, messed up motor. And fun fact, I ended up pulling it with the torque converter. Because that's just how messed up the motor really is. We couldn't turn it either direction, so we had to pull it with the torque converter. But I do plan on rebuilding that engine. That was the first engine I ever worked on with my dad. It's got huge sentimental value to me, just like the car, and this one too, because it's got some of my dad's old car parts on it. Now this dream is being built. I'm so excited because we're on the final back burner. Everything's falling into place. Everything's gonna get done on time. Yes. So if you are wanting to build a car like this or something crazy or anything, it doesn't have to be car related. If you just need motivation, you're on the right channel, okay? Because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to not only teach you tricks and show you how to do things and have you guys learn about car stuff, but to also keep you motivated to build your dreams. Because dreams don't become a reality unless they're built.